Welcome to our channel. Today, we delve into a topic that's increasingly vital in the world of artificial intelligence and machine learning: building an automated AI model deployment pipeline with continuous integration and continuous deployment, often abbreviated as CI/CD. We will walk you step by step through the entire process, from development to production, ensuring you understand not just the theory but also practical implementation. As the demand for AI solutions grows, managing the lifecycle of machine learning models becomes more crucial than ever. Traditional software development practices don't always suit the unique challenges of AI model deployment. That's where CI/CD comes in, a set of practices designed to improve the process of software development, testing, and deployment. In the context of AI, these practices help streamline the transition from experimentation to production, allowing teams to deliver value more quickly and reliably. So, what exactly do we mean by an automated AI model deployment pipeline? Simply put, it is a series of automated processes that facilitate the development, testing, and deployment of AI models. The goal is to enable data scientists and machine learning engineers to push code changes rapidly and safely, ensuring that every new model or update is reliable, reproducible, and scalable. Now, before jumping into the specifics of building this pipeline, it's essential to understand the key components of a CI/CD workflow. A typical CI/CD pipeline consists of several stages: coding, building, testing, deploying, and monitoring. Let's break down each of these stages as they relate to AI model deployment. The first stage is coding. Here, data scientists and machine learning engineers write the code for their models, typically using programming languages like Python or R. This code may involve pre-processing data, feature engineering, model training, and hyperparameter tuning. In a collaborative setting, using version control systems like Git is crucial. It allows multiple team members to work simultaneously, track changes, and manage different versions of the models and scripts. Next comes the building stage. In this phase, the model code is compiled and packaged into a deployable artifact. This could involve creating Docker containers that encapsulate the environment necessary to run the model. Using containers is particularly beneficial in AI, as it ensures that the model runs the same way in production as it did during development, regardless of underlying infrastructure differences. Following the building phase, we enter the testing stage. Automated testing is critical for maintaining quality in an AI deployment pipeline. This can include unit tests for individual functions, integration tests to ensure different parts of the model work together, and end-to-end testing to validate the entire workflow. Additionally, with machine learning models, you'll want to include validation tests that assess the model's performance on unseen data. Continuous testing helps catch issues early and ensures that the model meets certain performance standards before it is deployed. Once the model has passed all testing phases, it's time for deployment. At this stage, the model is pushed into a production environment where it can serve real users. This process should be automated to minimize human error and ensure consistency. Automated deployment tools such as Jenkins, CircleCI, or GitHub Actions can be configured to trigger deployments whenever code changes are made, assuming those changes pass all tests. However, deployment is not the end of the journey. Continuous monitoring is essential post-deployment to ensure that the model performs as expected in a live setting. This involves tracking key performance indicators, KPIs, such as prediction accuracy, latency, and system resource usage. If the model begins to underperform, the monitoring system should alert the team, allowing them to investigate and take corrective actions. This might involve retraining the model, adjusting hyperparameters, or even rolling back to a previous model version. Now that we've covered the foundational concepts of CI/CD and AI model deployment, let's discuss the tools that can help automate this pipeline. A wide array of technologies can be employed, and the choice often depends on your specific use case and team preferences. For version control, Git is the industry standard, and platforms like GitHub or GitLab facilitate collaboration. For building and containerization, Docker is an excellent choice, allowing you to create lightweight, portable containers that can be deployed anywhere. Furthermore, orchestration tools like Kubernetes can manage these containers, scaling is needed to handle fluctuating workloads. When it comes to CI/CD tools, Jenkins is one of the most popular choices, offering extensive plugin support and flexibility. Circle CI and GitHub Actions are also gaining traction for their simplicity and integration capabilities with version control platforms. These tools allow you to define pipelines as code, making them easily reproducible and modifiable. For testing, frameworks like PyTest for Python can help automate unit tests, while tools like Tox can assist in testing across multiple environments. To ensure that your models perform robustly, you might also want to incorporate libraries like Great Expectations or Evidently, which help to evaluate the quality of your data and model performance. Now, let's discuss some best practices when building your automated AI model deployment pipeline. First and foremost, create a reproducible environment. This means using tools like Docker to ensure that everyone on your team can work with the same dependencies and configurations. This practice minimizes the "it works on my machine" problem and eases collaboration. Secondly, implement versioning for both your code and your data. Just like your code, your dataset should have version control. This becomes particularly important when you need to reproduce results or roll back to a previous version of your model. Tools like DVC, Data Version Control, can help manage datasets and model versions seamlessly. Another best practice is to establish a robust testing strategy. This includes unit tests, integration tests, and performance tests. Make sure to include data validation checks to ensure that incoming data is of high quality and suitable for making predictions. You should also implement model performance monitoring to track metrics in real time and ensure that your model continues to perform well after deployment. Collaboration is key in AI projects. Encourage open communication among data scientists, software engineers, and other stakeholders. Regular meetings or check-ins can help ensure everyone is aligned on goals and progress. Additionally, fostering a culture of experimentation allows team members to try new approaches without the fear of failure. Finally, don't forget about documentation. Documenting your processes, decisions, and workflows not only helps current team members but also aids onboarding new employees. Clear documentation can save time and prevent misunderstandings down the line. As we wind down our discussion on building an automated AI model deployment pipeline with CI/CD, let's reflect on the benefits this approach brings. By automating the deployment pipeline, organizations can achieve faster time to market for their AI solutions, reduce errors, and ensure higher quality in their model deployments. Moreover, it allows data science teams to focus on what they do best, building innovative models that solve real-world problems, rather than getting bogged down in repetitive tasks. In conclusion, building an automated AI model deployment pipeline using CI/CD is not just a technical challenge, it's a strategic initiative that can significantly enhance your organization's ability to deliver effective AI solutions. By understanding the stages of the pipeline and employing the right tools and practices, you can create a robust system that supports continuous improvement and innovation. If you found this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon for updates on future content. We'd love to hear your thoughts and experiences with AI model deployment in the comments below. What challenges have you faced, and what tools have you found most effective? Until next time, keep innovating, and happy coding!